Okay, for this particular song, Unaware. We'll start with the E scale as we did. Quick run through. Do the E scale forward and backwards, and just do all the regular chords: E, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, A, B, C sharp minor, D sharp diminished. You can play a B7, or just do D sharp half diminished 7th. This is a movable shape though, but again, that's simple. Now talking about all the chords we have been making. First chord, E major 7th. As I've written the tabs for this on the screen here, X7644, X 6th string do not play, 7th fret, 5th string, 6th fret, and then 4th, 4th, 4th with the bar chord. Mini bar we call it. You can do complete bar or a mini bar, anything is okay. Exception case, you can add the 6th string here, 0 as well, only because it's E chord. Any other chord, we will not add that. So I'll keep an X over there. That's the first chord from the major scale, called E major 7th. Now I'll touch the second chord, which is, where is that? F sharp minor 7, not required right now as per the song. So coming straight down to C sharp minor right here. E major 7th, E major chord, C sharp minor. C sharp minor 7, remove the pinky finger. And similarly D sharp minor 7th. And now when I'm playing this song, let's hear it once more. Okay? If it's one guitarist, he will play riff and then come the chord. Someone else on the keys or other guitar will do E major 7 and then D sharp minor 7th and C sharp minor 7th.
Yeah.
So I'm playing a solo. I will probably not play the D sharp minor 7th if I have to play the fills. So
That sounds nice. Yeah.
So I'm doing this slide. I'm taking this chord. It's a D sharp minor 7th, but we are quickly doing. Go back and play again and add the chord. Now I'll tell you exactly what to do here. Take the chord C sharp minor 7 and you can slide the entire chord as well to D sharp minor 7 and then go back to C sharp minor 7 and then go to dish minor 7 sharp. I use the word sh only, dish, and then sish minor 7th again. So in a nutshell, I did E major 7 and then I did slide up, back, play this and back here. Now this time I did entire chords. Frankly,
They're so hard. When you slide a whole chord, it's so hard for me.
so hard for me.
Slide
Hard
like
for me
one
as well.
chord.
Hard for me as well. My band-aid is helping a lot. It's actually, I realized I'm wearing this band-aid. It's actually helping my finger to be. Now, what in the song anyone will do, not play the chord here. They will just take 2 or 3 notes. This 2, for example. Now I'm using this partial. Okay, here when we do the use of diodes and triads, diodes also called double stops, 2 strings. Triads is 3 strings. I'll just do the 2 right now. I'll do. So I'll do. So these are extractions from the chord itself. The regular chord, so many, I only took these 2 notes, first string and second string. So frets of were already 4th and the 5th here. 4th E, 5th on the B, and they go 2 frets up, come back to go up and come back this time to add the chord. So very slowly again, yeah, you got it. Slide up and stop the sound. And it's like a staccato. Staccato is you just play and let the sound vanish quickly, you know. I could have held it, sustain, or I just do. and then come back. Play and come back. So we are sliding to dish and coming back to sesh. C sharp, minor 7th, C sharp or a sesh. So I like this sh word. And it's not me, one of my trainees, he said, so what do you call F sharp? He said, no, let's call it fish. So I said, I'll go with it. So I call ash, sesh, dish, fish and jish. It becomes easy to speak. D sharp, minor 7th, I said dish minor 7th. Sesh minor 7th, sesh to dish, back to sesh. And again without slide, dish. And this time when you come back to sesh, play the chord. That's what I will say about it. So,
Okay.
practice multiple tons of times. Slow, back, up, chord.
So only the slides only in the beginning? Is that where
Yeah,
the
only
slide-
one slide I'll do as per the song. Ta, 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 ta. Slowly, slide, normal play, come to the chord.
Okay.
And
Then
chord
you're
this time.
with the chord.
Fish minor 7. You got it, you got it. So 3 times more. I'll make some more change. 4, 3, 5 times more. Just play it. So. Four. Again.
I have to practice because it
Do
looks
it,
so.
just do a few seconds more. Then I'm going to add something more to it.
Oh, okay.
You'll be like, what? Is there more to it?
No,
No.
I like more.
That's
I love
I know it. Just adding again. We did double stops here after E major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double stops. Now moving to triple stops or triads or three notes. Yeah, that's what we will do primarily on this. Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, I'll work
Yeah,
on
song
that.
just started. A lot of work we did in that class today. So then let's take a look. Dun, and came to the chord.
Yeah.
That's it. Prominent riff. This is going on and on probably in the song.
Yeah.
Now,
Usually it's in the beginning, right? Suchait, before they start singing, the riff is very prominent. And then when they start singing, usually they'll simplify it, right?
let's see. This chord is not correct, D sharp 7. We can do it. Nothing wrong, but I'll stick to D sharp minor 7th here. No change. Yeah.
Yes.
You use ultimateguitar.com? Great. I like it. I've used it in other classes as well. And now we are getting used to because accuracy is good. We do the song here. I take them there for the accurate chords. They come back to Chordify and it's fun.
Yeah,
We're still using Chordify, but then that is accuracy level is good. I like it. But
Right.
another thing is that I like to resolve on myself as well. So I'm sure D sharp 7 should not be there. So that's another way to do it. Yeah, riff only is just blank here right now. So
Yeah.
do it. Go ahead and do it as much as you can on this work. Then you will have more corrections to be done. I'll be correcting things which you have done, maybe not correct or something.
Yeah, I'll practice that this week. It's
Do
gonna
it,
be
do it.
fun.
Practice this song.
Yeah.
But again, capo is also an option if you really, but stick to this. Better. Let's do
Yeah.
it without capo. No
I'm
worries.
up for the challenge.
Obviously, it's fun. It's fun to add something new. The only reason I took up capo in the last class because I saw we are doing extended chords today. Had it been the regular chords, forget the capo. But maybe if you are doing extended chords, maybe capo was an option. That's what I thought last time. But it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, we could do both. Yeah, I
Or
don't mind
even
doing that.
better. I like it this way. When I do a song, I like to create multiple versions. It's just that people, trainees sometimes get bored. Sometimes most of trainees, they don't understand. They think, oh no, second way, I have learned this way. I do have to unlearn it. That's what they think. You know,
Yeah,
people
you
are
feel
not
like
really into music. Like you are a musician right now. So you understand the aspects. 80% people will not. They
Right.
will take it as a torture. So I don't really go there.
Yeah, you don't want to be torturing them, right?
Yeah, I don't want to. They think, oh, I have to unlearn this because now I've learned it. I said, no, that's not it.
It's like
Anyway,
anything in life, right? When it's like hard in the beginning, you end up getting better. So it's almost like good to
I
make it hard.
tell you I mean, I keep busting the myths. Very common myths are like, that song
Yeah,
is amazing in that scale. I want to learn the original only. No changes, Suchait. It doesn't work like that. I said, they will think that scale is beautiful. That's why it's sounding beautiful. I said, no, it's the equipment, it's the studio, it's all the things goes. It's not the scale thing. They
right,
want
right.
to that scale. I said, come on.
Yeah,
Anyway,
that's
cool.
fun.
See you next week then.
All right. Thank you so much, Suche. Have a good week.